happens when Suzuki takes everything they know about motocross engineering and cranks it up to 11? The 2026 RM-Z 1050 happens, and trust me, this machine is something special. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into Suzuki's boldest move in years, the all-new 2026 RM-Z 1050. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Design. Suzuki has completely reimagined the RM-Z aesthetic. The bodywork is sharper, more aggressive, and incredibly aerodynamic. The new twin-spar aluminum frame is both lighter and stiffer than before, offering improved handling without sacrificing durability. The ergonomics have been refined for better rider comfort during long, demanding sessions. Performance. Now let's talk performance because this is where the RM-Z 1050 truly shines. The 1049cc parallel twin engine delivers explosive power throughout the rev range. We're talking 120 horsepower paired with exceptional torque that pulls hard from any gear. The suspension features fully adjustable Showa forks that soak up rough terrain effortlessly. Braking is handled by Brembo components, providing confidence-inspiring stopping power. Features and technology. In terms of technology, Suzuki has stepped up significantly. The 1050 comes equipped with multiple ride modes, traction control, and a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. There's also a full-color TFT display that keeps you informed without being overwhelming. Connectivity options allow for smartphone integration and performance tracking. Conclusion. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 represents a bold step forward, combining raw power with modern technology in a genuinely exciting package. What do you think about Suzuki's new direction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this review helped, hit that like button and share it with fellow enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, in-depth content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.